Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make 맛김치. I have 2 cabbages preserved in salt already. And first of all, pour the 1 cup of chili powder. If you want it to be more spicy, you could add more chili powder on it. Making kimchi in this way is easier than making pogi kimchi, which I showed you already in my other video. Next, I'm gonna add ginger. It looks very easy, isn't it? Next, I'm gonna add onions. It's a 1 giant onion. And I'm gonna add minced garlic. It's frozen. I'm gonna add half cup of fish sauce. And I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of plum juice. You can find it basilchang in Korean market. But if we don't have it, you can just skip it. It's done. So after you mix them well, you could leave it in a room temperature in winter for 2 to 3 days for ferment it. In summer, you could check after like 1.5 days later if it is well done, and you move it into the refrigerator and store it for like 1 month. Or you could have it, you could cook it with kimchi with a lot of Korean dishes like a kimchi jjigae or kimchi bokkeumbap, whatever you like. So I'm gonna show the recipe later with my kimchi then. Okay, thank you for watching today, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.